Meaning of diffidence.
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 Diffidence. Diffidence refers to a lack of self-confidence or uncertainty in one's abilities or beliefs. It is often associated with shyness or timidity, and can lead to hesitancy or reluctance to take action or speak out. People who struggle with diffidence may feel insecure or have a fear of failure, which can hold them back from pursuing their goals or expressing themselves fully. Overcoming diffidence often involves building self-esteem and learning to trust oneself, which can help individuals develop the courage and confidence they need to succeed.